to that degree where they get so excited about the emails because it's always something that they're directly related to, and it's always so valuable and free.
For the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.
Yo, what's going on? It's Miguel and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I am Miguel Johnson. I own a digital marketing agency where I help YouTubers build their own businesses. And on this particular video, I'm going to be talking about what you should even do with your emails after you get them. So cool, you somehow managed to build up an email list. You have some people's emails now. What the hell do you do with them? Do you just let them sit there? Or is there some sort of strategy that you can use that's very simple that will allow you to not only make these people happy, but also make money off emails? There's all these people running around saying that they're making millions, thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars from their email list. How do you become one of those people? So it's actually very, very, very simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna send them more content that relates to what it is that they got on that email list for. So if they got on that list because they were into cooking, then you should continue to send them more and more stuff that is related to cooking. More videos, more articles, blog posts, PDFs. So you're gonna constantly be sending them content that relates to whatever it is that got them on that list. And the reason why you want it to be directly related to what that is because you're gonna have high open rates on your email list. High open rates is anything above 10% is like basic level. And then if you can get that above 15, then you're doing good. If you get it above 20, then you're a fucking rock star and you're doing very good things, and you probably have your email list very well segmented. Basically, you have them in very nice groups and you're sending them high quality content, stuff that's actually relatable to them. And then what that means is you'll also have a significantly less amount of unsubscribes. People will not get annoyed with the emails that you're sending them because they're directly related to what it is that they have going on and where it is that they are in their customer's journey, buyer's journey, or whatever else it is that you have going on. You want to do that by either tags or different segmented lists. The best service I've seen that's capable of doing this is Convertkit. There will be a link below to go ahead and check it out. Full disclosure, it is an affiliate link, so I will get paid if you buy Convertkit after you click that link. So just keep that in mind if you care about that sort of thing. So alright, cool. You have all these emails and you're still making your YouTube videos, or you're still writing your blog, or doing whatever it is that you do, and you're sending these people to this content, and now your content's doing a little better. Okay, cool. Now what do you do? So the next thing that you want to do now that you're sending these people content is you want to start putting a marketing strategy for products that you have in place. And it doesn't really matter what it is that product is. All that matters is that it directly relates to the person that is getting the email, because these are real people. These are not just random numbers that you're looking at on a email marketing software. These are actual people who are making decisions, going about their lives, have their own struggles, their own problems, things that they want to achieve. These are real life people, and you are disrupting their day by sending them an email and trying to get them to buy something. So how do you do it successfully? By having all these people in their different segments, you will know exactly what it is that they're interested in, and you're able to send them offers about those very specific things. So let's continue with the cooking example. Let's say this person is a cooking novice. They just got into it. They've been watching tons of cooking videos. They're doing their thing in the kitchen, but it's only a couple of things. There's no way they're making a souffle. That just makes them sweat because they're just so scared of doing it. So if you were to send this person a product about how to become an advanced cooker, it would just turn them off. They'd be so scared. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. This is not for me. But if you send them a program that says, oh, how to go from beginner to intermediate cooking 101, that would actually resonate with them, because they'll be like, oh, awesome, that is where I'm at. It's like this person actually knows me. Like, this email was actually for me. This is freaking fantastic. Yes, I would love to buy this course because not only does this relate to where I'm at, but I also love cooking. It's like just like you knew, and you did, because you took the time to actually segment your audience and figure out what it is that they are interested in. And it can also work with other things. It doesn't have to be like online programs. It can be, oh, check out this awesome beginner's cooking set, or if you have more advanced people that you're sending this to, check out this most advanced dishes that you could possibly make, things like that. So you're going to be constantly sending them offers that are directly related to what it is that they have going on. And I actually want to retract the word constantly. You want this to be an every now thing. So you want the majority of time, the majority of emails that they're getting to be value based. Different articles, videos, like I said, content. You want them to get as much content as possible so that they get excited about the emails that they're getting, because they're like, wow, this video is something that I really enjoy watching. This is awesome. Or, wow, this free PDF is exactly what I needed. I'm so grateful to have gotten this. So you want it to be to that degree where they get so excited about the emails because it's always something that they're directly related to, and it's always so valuable and free. And then a couple of weeks out of the month, you want to go ahead and hit them on the right hook. Like Gary Vee says, jab, 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 right hook. So a couple weeks out of the month, sometimes 1 week out of the month, you want to go ahead and go for the right hook. Go ahead and ask for the sell, do a deal on some program, do an affiliate deal, do something where you're just asking them to actually purchase something that you feel will genuinely help them. And this is what you do with your email list once you get it. So that is what you want to do with your emails once you get them. This is how you'll keep your email list warm and ready to buy when you do finally have that right hook message in your emails. And the one thing you never want to do is just only email your email list when you want to ask them to buy something, because they will either not like it or they'll start to tune out your emails because you're only ever talking to them when you want to get them to buy some shit. So I hope this video was valuable. If you liked it, if you learned anything, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe buttons below. And if there's anything specific you would like to learn, go ahead and leave that question in the comment section below, and I will go ahead and answer that for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and until next time, peace.